Parliament harshly criticized the remarks made by the impeached former public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane, who made racist remarks against judges who were of Indian descent. A heated discussion over professionalism, racism, and the legitimacy of South Africa's judicial system has been sparked by this occurrence. Please kindly subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell so as to get all our updates. Mkhwebane voiced her accusations of prejudice against the legal advisors of Parliament at a press conference, stating that their Indian descent affected their professional behavior. Congress reacted quickly, criticizing her remarks as inflammatory and lacking in evidence. The entire foundation of our democracy is threatened when people are attacked because of their ethnicity, according to a spokesman for the parliamentary committee in charge of legal matters. All public personalities, especially those who have had positions of authority, must be held responsible for their remarks. Concerns have been raised by the episode about the wider effects of racist speech in South Africa's democratic system. Experts stress that remarks of this like run the risk of inflaming racial tensions and detracting from important policy conversations. Mkhwebane responded by defending her remarks and claiming that they were meant to draw attention to perceived injustices rather than to sow discord. Critics counter that any valid issues she may have wanted to convey have been eclipsed by the context and delivery of her statements. Calls for a comprehensive investigation of racial dynamics in public institutions are intensifying as the scandal develops. The prompt response taken by Parliament demonstrates a dedication to upholding civility and respect in public conversation, reinforcing the need for professionalism and accountability to rule the political discourse of the country. In order to promote an atmosphere free from racial discrimination, Parliament is ever vigilant, highlighting the significance of unity in South Africa's quest for justice and equality. Once again, former public protector Busisiwe Mkhwebane has apologized for her divisive racist statements, in which she implied that she was being singled out by Indian American judges after her case was unsuccessful. Her remarks came after the Supreme Court of Appeal, SCA, dismissed her appeal against the Western Cape High Court's impeachment verdict. Mkhwebane expressed anger with the court's ruling in an interview with SABC, claiming that people of Indian heritage were responsible for her misfortunes. She then issued an apology, saying, "I don't mean to give the impression that I'm criticizing the legal advisors. They put in a lot of effort, and if they believe that at the end of the day, I'm willing to apologize." Mkhwebane maintained that her remarks were misunderstood. She had accused a number of people, including the late former Minister Pravin Gordhan, evidence leader Nazreen Bawa, chief legal advisor to Parliament Zuriya at Hickory, and SCA Judge Nathan Panan, of being behind her legal struggles. Her remarks had caused backlash, including criticism from Parliament. She called attention to these particular people, saying that they fit within a trend she saw while serving as the public protector. Mkhwebane clarified that her worries were caused by what she saw as an ongoing pattern of discrimination connected to her work on the Rogue Unit probe and her interactions with Gordhan. She added, "I'm not insulting anyone, and it's not a fact that they're Indian. I'm bringing up a topic for discussion." Former public protector advocate Busisiwe Mkhwebane's racially charged comments have drawn disappointment and disapproval from the Office of the Chief Justice. The judiciary has noted with disappointment and disapproval the racially charged comments made by former public protector and economic freedom fighters, EFF Member of Parliament, ADV Busisiwe Mkhwebane, directed at Supreme Court of Appeal Judge Justice V. Panan. The Office of the Chief Justice stated in a statement released on Friday, October 4, 2024, Advocate Mkhwebane had said on X, formerly Twitter, that a number of well-known individuals, mostly of Indian descent, had set themselves up as her attackers. While those who bring matters before the courts are within their rights to express views divergent from those expressed by the courts in their matters, a degeneration of discourse into racially charged comments is unacceptable and will not be tolerated. The statement attributed to the Judiciary Judge President C. Muzi's spokesperson continued. According to the statement, South Africa is based on the principles of the Republic of South Africa's Constitution, which include respect for human dignity, achieving equality and the promotion of human rights and freedoms, eschewing racism and misogyny, the primacy of the Constitution, and the rule of law.